Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Indah Komalasari. In here I want to present my materials for oral presentation, assignment or examination, midterm examination. And my materials or my topics is about Indonesian compulsory vaccination. Vaccination is one of many government programs to cope the COVID-19 outbreak. The government approach through legislation by applying vaccines to all people in Indonesia to reducing the number of people that affected by the virus is going to be controversial. Why it is going to be controversial? The Indonesian Council of Islamic scholars, or we call it MUI in Indonesia, has also helped and support the government with by give a sanction to a people to a person who refusing um, this action. And there are many people who agree with the government that compulsory vaccination in Indonesia, and also there are many people that reject or disagree or refusing this the government action or regulation. Um, and the first one, we are going to the people or the person that agree with the government policy uh, policy um, with the vaccination to be enforced to all citizens as a result COVID-19 pandemic, which to this day has been neither disappear or diminished, and has caused significant loss of life. And although it is applied social distancing, large scale social restriction, or in Indonesia we call it PSBB, and even to the extent that a ban um, public on a ban on public activities is carried out. And the second one, or the last one, we are going to the people that who disagree, or those who disagree, or those who rejecting the government action. Those who disagree, or they are reject the government obligation policy, because it is violates human rights, or hak asasi manusia. Penalties are given to a people or a person who resists this action, and it can make many people refusing this action, because there are many ways around which the whole community can accept with the, for example, maybe with the supplement, the syrup for the children, and the capsule for an adult. um, because it is not all the same, in one thing. Sometimes someone maybe has a phobia or trauma with an injection, and also the government has not been able to impose the will of the people, because so far the people has accept most of what that has been stipulated, um, like PSBB, like PPKM, or um, yeah, or social distancing. That because of that, many of people lost their livelihood, lost their job, and cannot earn money. And that's why many of people reject this obligation or reject the government action or regulation that compulsory vaccination in Indonesia. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.